Hi guys, it's Roseann White. I'm here today to share with you one of 3 workouts that you can do that doesn't take a lot of time, but it's going to build a lot of strength in your body. You can find these exercises and this workout in my playbook called the Top 9 Muscle and Strength Building Exercises. They're for everybody. Each exercise is explained in this book, and then there's 3 workouts. I'm going to share with you the one of them that I really like for the posterior chain. This is your back muscles. And this one you'll probably want to have a cable machine that has a pull-up bar, or a home. In your home you could have pull-up bars. They're available on Amazon. You can attach them to a door frame. But let me show you this workout using this system. Again, a lot of gyms have assisted pull-up machines. The main thing is the pull-up bar, you want to bring the elbows forward as you pull down. That's the first exercise. The second one's going to be a deadlift. You're hinging from the hips, the knees are bent, and you're going to slide a bar down to your knees and back up. The whole point is your back stays nice and flat, your belly stays in, your head stays in line with your spine, and you use your glutes and your lower back muscles to help you to lift your chest and stand up. The third exercise is a row, a narrow row. It's an underhand grip. Again, you could use a bar or you can use 2 free weights. Today I'll use free weights. Again, hinging from the hips, not as deep as a deadlift. We're gonna hinge and we're just gonna pull back. Feel your shoulder blades wrapping in. That's how it's done. So with every exercise program, you wanna make sure you're warmed up really well. And when you're done with your exercises, you wanna cool down. I'm going to suggest that you do these 3 exercises, 10 reps each. Take a minute to take a break and do 3 to 5 rounds. I'll show you a couple ideas for a warm-up. First thing is we want to warm up these back muscles. So roll your shoulders a few times and take a nice breath in and out. And you're going to cross over and open up. So your chin to the chest and then open up like you're on that Titanic. Do that a few times, again, just to get some movement into the shoulders, into the upper back, getting those muscles and the blood flow. Now we'll go to a modified cat-cow. Forearms could be on your thighs or hands, and elbows are out. I'm going to round, belly in, tailbone tucks under, stretching the lower back, and then lifting the heart, not the chin, lifting the tailbone, and then go into a little bit of extension. Do that 3 times. Exhale. Inhale, lift the belly, tailbone high. Again, exhale, belly in, tailbone tucks, and shoulders back. One more. And back. These 3 warm-ups that I just showed you can be the same thing for your cool down and your stretch, but I'll show you a few other things. So let's begin. I've got, again, a cable machine, and I am usually use my bar up here. I do not have the strength to pull my body weight up, even though I feel pretty strong. So there's a box underneath me that I'm just going to stand on, bending my knees to pull myself up. 10 reps. Let's begin. Hands wide. I'm going to cross at my ankles. Knees are soft. I'm going to hang. Just give me some hang time. Shoulders are up to my ears. I'm going to drop my shoulders down. And I'm going to pull up and down. And exhale. Keeping the shoulders from coming back up to my ears. Elbows are forward. Here's 5. My legs are helping me, that's okay. 6. Strong breath. And here's 1 more. My goal is to eventually do that without the box. Now I'm going to grab my weights. I'm using 10-pound weights here, okay? And feet are about sit-bone distance apart. Palms are facing my thighs. Stand nice and tall. This is your start and your finish position. Hinge from the hips. It's kind of like you're shaving your thighs, ladies, and then come on back up. Or think you're pulling down your pants and back up. You'll feel a little bit of a hamstring stretch as the butt lifts. I never round my back, so I call that flat back, not cashier. I don't want a cashier back, I want a flat back. Down and lift. Breathing in. Press equally through all 4 corners of the feet. You got 5 more of these to go. Think when when you stand up, you've got a proud chest. Shoulders are down. You can even exaggerate that with a little bit of a shoulder roll down. Reset. Hinge, lift, and reset. 2 more times. 1 more. Excellent. So that's our deadlift. Now we're going to go into a row. So my palms are facing up. I turn, open up my chest. You see my palms facing? I've got a slight hip hinge. I'm going to pull. Tuck the chin in. Think that you've got maybe a tennis ball or a lemon under your chin. Draw the shoulder blades in and down. Belly stays tight. It's all back muscles, guys. 5, 4, looking about 4 feet in front of me, and 1. Stand up nice and tall. So that was your first set of 10. Take a break, shake it out. I want you to repeat this at least 3 to 5 times. Okay, to stretch it out, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna round our back, look to the left, look to the right, and then open up. Cross over again, look to the right, look to the left, and open up. Take your hands behind your head, just let everything wiggle a little bit. Side bend, so we're gonna stretch some of those lats out. Center, side bend again. Center, do that again because it feels really good. Maybe pull that elbow back, look open to the sky. Bend, look up, and release. And then finally, let's just go ahead and slide your hands down, drop your head, bend your knees a lot. Let your head shake out. Feel that stretch in the lower back. The more you bend your knees, the more stretch you'll get. Hang out here for just another breath. Then pull the belly in and ragdoll your way up, dropping the tail, pulling the belly, and roll out. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this workout, the posterior chain, along with the other 2 workouts in my top 9 muscle and strength building exercises available for you. Check out the link below. Have a great day. See you later.